Scorpio. This is a Scorpio reading for the month of July. For your personal reading, kindly send me a direct message. Kamusta mga Scorpio? This is for all the Scorpio Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus. Okay. Let's see kung ano meron para sa mga Scorpio. I hope nakatulong ang ating June reading. So let's see kung ano meron for July. Communication. Alright. So, parang there's ang intention mo is to have a successful communication with your person. Pero parang you feel so defeated kung ano yung outcome na gusto mo or yung purpose for this communication, parang hindi mo nakuha. But, I don't know, is this a communication about kids, sustento? There is an energy of equal give and take. Marami kang iniisip na wish fulfillment para sa connection na to. But, what's this? This is weird. May give and take, may third party energy, may star fulfillment. Scorpio, are you saying that you're okay having a third party here? May Queen of Wands, yeah? Gusto mong sumugod, gusto mong makipag-usap sa pinaghihinalaan mong third party. Okay? There's an Aquarian energy, there's a Leo. The King of Pentacles, the masculine here, it feels like parang may mga challenges sa finances. And may Libra energy. The masculine is trying to do the right thing to have a stable home. Okay? The Moon card, may Pisces energy din dito. And then the Taurus, you're trying to, may mga na-reveal sa'yo, Sag, na mga bagay na hindi mo gusto about this reconnection, na you decided naman to reconnect with your person, pero may mga hurtful truth na nahihirapan kang i-process right now. May mga confusion, options. The feminine here feels confused kung nasaan pa ba talaga itong stable connection na to, itong kasal na to. Right now, the Scorpios are trying to manifest na magkaroon ng wisdom sa kanila kasi sobrang nasasaktan ng mga Scorpio kung ano man yung mga nalaman nila sa connection na to. You're trying to move forward and you wanna have a new beginning, and this connection feels like parang medyo toxic. May Capricorn energy din dito. Let's see. Juicy. Alright. Tingnan natin. Expound natin yan. Meron din ako nakikita dito na kasi it could be third party, it could be mga friends na hindi maganda yung influence sa person mo or sa pagsasama nyo. The Devil card could also be mga bisyo, sugal, babae. The reason for the reading is overthinking and you feel trapped in the situation. Sabi mo is ang hirap, no? Ang hirap nung connection na to. Ang dami nang iniisip. And you feel na parang ang daming dapat ayusin in terms of financial stability, sobrang mahal na mahal mo yung person mo. Recent past, nagkaroon ng overthinking about this situation. So, pinagpipray mo kung dapat pa ba talagang magbigay ng pagmamahal, pagtitiwala, at another chance sa connection na to. Your energy right now, Scorpio, is you feel so defeated. Ang dami mong hinahanap na truth. You feel na parang ang daming lies na tinatago, no? Napaka-sneaky ng person mo. Your person right now is trying to do kung ano yung best na kaya nila. Okay? The masculine is doing his best here. Woo! He's trying to build. The masculine is trying to hide a passionate connection from you in this connection. The masculine is trying to hide a passionate connection. He's trying to build with a third energy. There's lies and deceit. But right now, parang umaatras muna siya. Sabi niya is, he wanna do what's right for now. So, Scorpio, I feel na may mga doubts ka. Natatakot ka rin naman to totally walk away from this connection. In the next 3 months, I feel magre-realign ka ng mga focus mo. Okay? Yung mga nakabulet, no? Ano ba yung number 1 priority mo? Yung first 5, ano ba yan? Kasi parang uunahin mo yung finances, yung financial stability. You're trying to find the balance here about yourself. Gusto mong maintindihan yung sarili mo. This is a Scorpio energy. Could also be dealing with a Virgo. In the next 3 months, hindi mo mararamdaman yung genuine offer of love ng person mo. Medyo matabang or hindi mo makita yung sincerity niya na ayusin to. Maraming lies at parang hindi mo na makita yung willingness na ayusin tong connection na to. Sa love connection na to. Okay? So, maraming dapat pag-usapan at ayusin kung kaya pang i-work out. This is a big transformation for you, Scorpio. Okay? So, let's see. Ano ang message ng person ng Scorpio para sa kanya? I couldn't let you get close to me. I couldn't let you get close to me. Bakit? Na-hurt mo ba yung person mo? Bakit parang gusto niyang I couldn't let you get close to me. You came closer than anyone. I left when I saw you with someone. Oh my gosh. Scorpio, ikaw ba yung may third party here? I left you when I saw you with someone. So, depende, no? Case to case, napakarami. This is a collective energy. Could be, no? The roles could be reversed. But, one thing, undefinite dito, yung paulit-ulit, is nagkaroon ng third-party energy. And, pag-usapan kung kaya pang ayusin, right now, wala akong makitang magandang energy for now. Okay? Pwedeng mabago pa to. Let's see, silipin natin ang ating ang bonus reading in a few days. To balance this energy, I recommend you to have the rose quartz to balance your heart chakra and to harmonize the relationship. If you're manifesting abundance, the Brazilian citrine. And then, to protect yourself from evil eye and to ground your emotions, to balance your emotions, we have here the Madagascar black tourmaline. Lahat ng crystal natin ay high quality at authentic. Alright? PM nyo ako kung paano kayo magkaroon nito. And then, PM me for your personal reading. For now, Scorpio, wala akong magandang news. And I feel this might not resonate for all, but, you know, for a group of Scorpios who's having challenges sa relationship. Alright? And that is your Scorpio reading for the month of Aya. I have here the essential oils. I have here the manifestation oil for prosperity, for protection, and abundance, the magnetize, okay, if to balance again yung harmony sa relationship, and then to attract love connections, okay. So the magnetize oil, the protection oil, prosperity, and the cure, just to, you know, mas mabilis yung healing period natin. Alright? And that will be the Scorpio reading for the month of July. See you again in a few days for your bonus reading. Bye-bye, Scorpio!